Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of phyllo dough, which should be thawed in your refrigerator overnight. Next, prepare 2 cups of your favorite chopped nuts, like walnuts or pistachios, for that classic crunch. Finally, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter. This will be brushed between each delicate layer, ensuring a rich, flaky texture. Now, let's begin assembling this delicious dessert. Start by generously brushing a 9x 13-inch baking pan with some of your melted butter. Carefully lay down about 8 to 10 sheets of phyllo dough, brushing each individual sheet with butter before adding the next. Once your base layers are down, spread 1/3 of your chopped nut mixture evenly over the phyllo. This creates the first flavorful nut layer. Continue the layering process by repeating the phyllo and nut steps 2 more times, ensuring each phyllo sheet is buttered. Once all layers are complete, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the baklava into about 24 diamond or square pieces before baking. Then, bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. While your baklava is baking, prepare a simple syrup. Once the baklava comes out of the oven, immediately and slowly pour the warm syrup evenly over the hot, baked baklava. This allows the syrup to soak in perfectly, creating that irresistible sweet and sticky texture. Let it cool completely for several hours, or even overnight, before serving. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.